Happy New Year! How is everyone today? Did you have a nice winter vacation? I hope that you did. Did you get a lot of Christmas presents? Did you get a lot of New Year's cash? I hope that you did. I hope everybody's fine. Nobody has the flu. And we are ready for 2025, the year of the snake. And now it's winter. I just said winter vacation. And so, as you know, it's cold outside. So today, we're going to be talking about ice. And the first thing I want to say, ice is not ice cream. Ice cream is ice cream. Ice is kori. And maybe you don't want to eat ice that's on a park bench. It might be dirty. So don't eat ice on the park bench. Okay? Eat ice cream that you buy at the supermarket, or maybe you make yourself. But anyway, ice. Ice is kori. And what is ice? Ice forms when water gets cold and freezes. You have water. You know what water is, right? Water. You drink water, you use water to wash your hands. And when it gets really cold and it freezes, then you have ice. How cold? When the temperature gets down to 0 degrees. 0 is my hero, but temperature not so much. But when the temperature gets to 0, water will freeze and make ice. It's cold. Like outside right now, it's about 10 degrees. So when the temperature drops from 10 cold, all the way down to 0, then you get ice. So if you want to make ice, just get a little plastic container or something. Don't get glass because it might break. So put some water in a container, put it outside tonight, and then it's supposed to be cold tonight. So when you wake up in the morning, you can go outside and you can see the ice. Anyway, when it gets 0 degrees, ice freezes, and water freezes and makes ice. When it gets very cold, ice forms when water gets cold and freezes. It's freezing cold. Ice can form on a wet house. The key is it being wet, because it has to have water. So if you have water, then you can have ice. If it gets cold and it freezes, it can form on a wet house. Ice can form on a wet fence. Ice can form on a wet car. Ice can form on a wet road. It's an icy road. Ice can form on a wet sign. Ice can form on a wet sidewalk. Ice can be very slippery, so be careful. You can go ice skating. Ice skating is a lot of fun. So, what did we learn? We learned that ice forms when water gets down to 0 degrees, and then you have a lot of ice. And the rain can turn into snow when it's really cold. So that's why it never snows in the summertime, because it's not cold, it's very hot. But we like ice. We like ice cream. We put ice in our drinks, and it's fun to skate on ice, but it's very slippery, so be careful. And everybody have a nice day, have a nice evening, and I'll see you soon, and bye bye.